Greetings! Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present Math Plus to you. Math Plus is an online math skills excellence program. Math Plus is an educational tool used on the internet, so it can be used anywhere and anytime. It enhances the math skills of students by providing them with endless math exercises. Math Plus covers important topics from prep to grade 10. Also, it is already mapped to the K+12 requirements of DepEd. Why do students need Math Plus? We all know that in math, practice makes perfect. Repetitive math exercises are necessary to strengthen the math skills of a student. Also, students need lots of examples to fully understand math concepts. Unfortunately, math exercises and examples in books are not enough. And the reason for this is simple. You can only print so much on the limited space in books. Teachers can't always be with their students. Having Math Plus at home is like having a teacher guiding your child at all times. Why do parents need Math Plus? Most parents cannot make high-quality math reviewers for their children. Parents often have no time or are too tired after working all day to do so. Or maybe they have already forgotten some math concepts that they studied in school decades ago. The good news is, parents no longer need to make math reviewers for their children now that Math Plus is here. And thanks to Math Plus, parents now have a great way to bond with their children academically. Math Plus is very easy to use. Once you buy a Math Plus account, you will receive a Math Plus username and password that you will use to access Math Plus. To use Math Plus, just go to www.mathplus.com. You will then see this Math Plus homepage. To log in, just type in your username and password in the blanks provided and click on the login button. Now let's look at a portion of the menu for the prep level of Math Plus. All your child has to do to start practicing is to click on the topic that he or she wants to practice on. Your child can choose any of the topics shown. Once your child clicks on a topic, Math Plus will automatically start asking questions. The process is so simple that even prep students enjoy using Math Plus. Suppose that the student clicked on the icon for counting shapes and colors. The exercise module will show the student one question at a time, such as the one shown here. As soon as the student answers the question, Math Plus will immediately inform the student if the answer given is correct or not. In many cases, Math Plus will also provide an explanation or solution. Math Plus will also automatically record all the correct and wrong answers of the student. These are other examples of modules in Math Plus. As you can see, we've made all of them very visually appealing to students. The friendly look of our modules prompts school children to answer the questions again and again. Although our modules look very friendly, the questions posed by Math Plus can be quite challenging. For example, in fraction operations, we require students to reduce their answers in lowest terms at all times. We also localize our modules where applicable. For instance, in counting money, we have options for both our local currency and American dollars. These are examples of Math Plus exercise modules for algebra. We have programmed all important algebraic operations in Math Plus, making sure that the symbols and exponents in the questions are presented nicely. Even the radical expressions are presented with actual radical signs, something that our competitors do not have. Questions with multiple equations and variables are also presented in a manner that's so easy to read. One thing that we are really proud of is the fact that every single word problem in Math Plus has a complete step-by-step solution. No other online math tutorial system has this feature. In algebra word problems, each solution starts with the setting up of the equations. The equations are then processed, showing each important step until all the unknowns are solved. The solution is only shown after the student has submitted his or her answer. Even difficult word problems, such as those involving rational and radical expressions, are accompanied by step-by-step solutions. Only MathPlus has this fantastic feature. All word problems in elementary levels also have step-by-step solutions. In fact, in many cases, MathPlus even includes block model solutions with the problems. Block modeling pertains to the use of blocks to visually represent word problems so the student can understand the problem and its solution more easily. Block modeling systems, especially those used in Singapore, are usually very expensive. We at MathPlus have included this great feature in our system for free. Imagine getting unlimited word problems with block models. These are examples of exercise modules in geometry and trigonometry. Again, they are very visually appealing and graphically extensive, allowing students to understand geometry and trigonometry concepts more easily. We even have exercise modules for advanced concepts in trigonometry and basic concepts in calculus. So rest assured that with MathPlus, your child can reach his or her full potential. All the great features that we've discussed so far is just one half of MathPlus. Aside from exercise givers, MathPlus also has a feature called solvers. Solvers are study tools that demonstrate how math operations are done. With our solvers, your child can review math operations by asking MathPlus to give step-by-step explanations on how to solve particular math problems. This is an example of a solver for adding fractions. The student simply has to input the fractions that he or she wants to add, and MathPlus will automatically explain the solution step by step in plain English. No other online system has this interactive feature. It's like having a real tutor at home with your child. MathPlus has comprehensive tutorials on different math topics. Presented in an easy-to-read manner with lots of images, kids will surely enjoy learning math with these tutorials. MathPlus is a great tool to conveniently assess the math skills of any student. MathPlus will record all the students' correct and wrong answers for each exercise module all year round. Parents and teachers can monitor a student's progress by clicking on the My Report Card link on the homepage. Let's look at a typical MathPlus report card. It lists all the exercise modules for your account's grade level. For each module, the raw and percentage scores are shown for the different levels of difficulty. The MathPlus report card even has graphical progress bars that instantly show you which modules your child is good at and which modules your child is not comfortable with. Bars with more yellow squares indicate a higher number of correct answers. Thus, with these progress bars, you can easily spot at a glance which modules your child probably needs your help with. Here's a summary of the different features of MathPlus: automatic generation of random questions, instant checking of answers with solutions where applicable, comprehensive online tutorials, unique and exclusive study tools and solvers, automatic tracking of scores, statistics, and record holders, unbelievably low cost and great value for your investment. We are pleased to inform you that English Plus, a similar online English skills excellence system, is also now available. English Plus has gotten great reviews from its users, including an international school. We will also launch Science Plus early next year. These are examples of English Plus modules. Like our Math Plus modules, our English Plus modules are also very visually appealing and offer high-value educational content. These are examples of Science Plus modules. Our mission is to build our nation one math whiz at a time. Join us in this mission. Buy a Math Plus account for your child today.